Boone High School, Town of the Brave, drum major. Instrument ready.
Oh, again? Oh, there we go. Awesome.
We're sitting there, 2025 show. Loading outside the line.
Yes.
Let's go.
Coloring the sidelines is about learning focus, discipline, and precision. It teaches us to pay attention to boundaries and develop fine motor skills, creating structure in our creativity. While it encourages us to follow rules and stay within limits, it's also a stepping stone for understanding when to help others. Mastering the skill of coloring inside the lines or inside of creativity, it builds a foundation of our skills, repeating effort, and committed to push boundaries and purpose. It's about having no rules and choosing when to follow or break them. And when you do break them,
5, 6, 7, 8. Blue, green, blue, red, yellow, blue, turquoise, green, blue, indigo, red, yellow, blue. Blue, green, red, yellow. Red, yellow, three, four, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2. Triple. Yeah.
Nobody out there can see you. On the side.
Oh. Ba-na-ba-ba-bum. 5, 6, bum, bum, bum. Da, 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 da.